It's Monday. It's early. Maybe not that early, but we're going to be making some breakfast today. I have some cleaning up to do. It looks like it's going to rain outside, so it's not like the perfect weather outside either. What we're going to do, I don't know, but we should probably get out of the house. We have to accept their new school today. My kiddos are going to be heading into a new school that's really close to us. So we have to officially accept that, and we have to go ahead and let our old school know that we won't be coming back. We're going to make some pancakes right now, like I said, and get the day started. What are you doing? Why are you opening a banana?
Because we're making with bananas.
Oh.
Banana flavored.
We're going to use Stitch. First of all, you only need, let's just do one, because you don't need more than one. I'm going to go ahead and you get napkins so we can crack the eggs.
2 to make sure it doesn't leak.
I'll crack it because you're going to get your fingers dirty with salmonella. Don't touch this, don't touch this. Don't touch this. Baby is doing. Bye-bye. Biscuit has to go back outside, so let him out. Come on, Biscuit, let's go outside. Come on. Biscuit. Let's go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Jimmy, let's go. Someone took your trash. Mama daje papuszać. We're disinfecting my daughter's toothbrush because she's strapped. Well, she's over strapped, but we need to disinfect just to make sure she can get it back. Nap time. Nap time? Is it nap time? It's time for a nap. No, we need a nap. We also really need to clean this room, but we can't do everything at once. Let's get this going. Let's get this going. Maybe I'll lay down with her for a few minutes and then let's see if she falls asleep. If she doesn't, then she's gonna go straight to her crib. Oh, let's see. My favorite time of the day is to cuddle with her. Right? Big cuddles. Doing laundry, doing my son's laundry.
And we have a time limit, 5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay. What?
Yeah.
Amelia wants to go to Sephora. She has a Sephora gift card and she's like super into makeup and stuff now.
Kind of.
Not makeup.
So
Skincare,
it's
because we don't, kids don't wear makeup.
I have
skincare.
some, only the milk,
Just
jelly
blush.
and then the Glow Recipe. I got the little kit. They have their bronzer and their blush.
Yeah, we don't, but makeup is not for little kids. But we'll let it happen on the weekends. Definitely not for school or anything like that, right? No.
Just for like parties and stuff.
Yeah. So she wants to go to Sephora. She wants to look, but I don't think that's a great idea because Sephora is extremely expensive. We have been doing many skincare products from Dollar Tree, actually.
$1.25. That's actually a great thing.
Yeah, so that's been really nice. Doing that. We're gonna see. We are gonna go upstairs, check out what Lucian is doing right now because he's probably not doing anything but watching TV. I told him to get dressed. The baby's still sleeping, so I definitely want to get out of the house because it's not raining anymore. It's
and
sunny.
we're gonna go to the mall.
I don't know if we're gonna go to the mall because I don't want to spend money.
But the mall has every store, and
Yeah, but money is not what we need to save money right now.
I've been wanting to go to not every store, but Sephora for a long time.
I don't think that's a great idea.
We're going to the mall, though.
I don't think so.
Yeah, please.
We're gonna figure out what else we're gonna
I've
do
been
instead.
buying for the mall.
We just went to Sephora for your birthday.
Yeah, and that was like 80 days ago.
Okay. Oh, Amelia. You're rid of me.
I dropped it. Stop.
We're gonna go look at school shoes. School shoes. We're at Skechers, looking for shoes for my daughter. Say hi. Oh, I parked like a... Okay. Someone's helping the baby.
What's our other shoe over here?
See, Nanush is the best.
And how do you do this?
Let's see, hold on. You gotta pick it up here.
Oh.
This way. Hold on, Amika. Scooch, watch out for cars. What's yours? Open?
This one. Hold the door.
Whoa. Okay, GSW. For my son, we found shoes at Skechers.
I think size 4 is on you.
Size 5.
Try size 4. Yeah, size 4 is perfect.
No, size 5.
Move. Size 6, I think.
Mom.
Oh, bye-bye. Chodź,
Yeah, I'm a size 5. Size 5 or maybe 6.
See anything here? They are cute.
They're on sale.
These are cute.
Mom, they're on sale.
Yeah, and I offered to buy
These
these.
ones are on sale. That one isn't.
These are super cute, but
But they're not on sale.
that's
How much
okay.
are they on sale?
We already bought you shoes, the new Nikes for
I
now.
know, but how many are they on for sale?
How long?
No, for how much do they?
It's normally 55. It's on sale for 41.
Do you think that's a great price?
I think it's a good price.
Should I probably get some?
No, I don't, no.
Uh-huh.
I think these are cute.
These ones are cute.
White ones,
Also-
yeah, but we always get white ones. Where's the baby?
Mom,
What?
whole hand is. Your whole shoe is.
What? What did you do?
What did she do?
Your whole hand is wet. I mean, your whole shoe is wet.
Oh my goodness.
Do you have a napkin for my booger?
I do not, no. We're at Target.
Could you please open
Target.
it? The only one.
All right. What did we buy? Oh, you saw what we bought at Ross. We should probably head up to Marshalls, but we're not doing that. Now we're gonna go to Target and we need to pick up some espresso. We do need to do school supplies, but because we're transferring schools, I'm still not like whatever done with the applications and stuff. I should get our school supply list really soon, hopefully maybe tomorrow, and then I think tomorrow we can do school supply shopping.
Yay!
Yay! Okay.
I love school shopping.
We're home. kids are watching TV. It's a huge storm coming in right now, actually. Let me show you. It's insane. Look at that.
Oh my, but that one doesn't even look like it.
It's gonna be a really big storm right now.
Huh?
It's gonna be a really big storm right now.
Cool.
See? Woo! Gotta lock up.
Ooh, Lucian now is doing the closet.
Don't be rude. Go sit with baby girls. Give her some hrupki. Give her some, oh my goodness. I'm gonna get dinner started. We're making chicken legs. And I don't always, actually I really do like these. These are the pre-made mashed potatoes, and I know, terrible. But I do always get a pack of these. And when we are in a pinch, I will use them. Other times I make normal mashed potatoes, but today we're gonna use these. So these are from Sam's Club, and they're actually really good. These are from Sam's Club, and I think they're like $7 for the two. So I do get these, and I always have them usually in like the second refrigerator. Like I said, if we don't have potatoes or something, we always have these, and I like them. They're good. There's baby girl. She said hi. She's saying hi. Hi. Amilka, can you call her over to go by you? Well. And yeah, it's getting dark outside. It's getting dark outside. There's our dog Biscuit. He's just a wild child. He is the goodest little bad boy you've ever met. He is such a bad little dude sometimes. Is this not too tight? No, it's good. Can't have it loose because he will take off either. He will take off.
And then you could help watch them since you're not going to be so old.
No. This is no. This is no. This is me. This is where I don't need your help. But go take Sienna, please. Biscuit, no. We're gonna do Kinder's grilled chicken. Actually, pretty decent. I need you to take a perfume. Time to take baby girls to bed. Yes. We're changing our pajamas. We had some milk. We are grabbing our sleeping sack and we're going to bed. Let's see. That's right. Ah. 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 Okay. Ah. Cuckoosh. Okay. So we're ready for bed. Good. Baby's asleep, and we're gonna finish watching Wednesday. The dishwasher's on?
Yeah.
If a high murder is master, they seal their own.
The air fryer just to dry up, and it's gonna be put back away. I think that's it for now. I'm gonna throw out some boxes from the table over here, and that's kind of the rest of my cleaning tonight. Let's see, these bags. We have pillows and laundry to take upstairs when we head on upstairs, so we'll do that. This is gonna leave here because my husband gets me out that I keep throwing things into the garage, but it's just easiest that way. Yeah, but that was kind of my day. It's my first ever really spend the day with me, so let me know if you guys like it. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear.